By organizing a short-term operating plan, you can keep your farm running if a crisis strikes. Hi, I'm Katie Neuner, Agricultural Business Field Specialist with this University of Missouri Extension Farm Management Minute. A short-term operating plan helps families to continue managing the farm business, even if the primary operator can't make day-to-day decisions due to illness, injury, or other difficulties. In your plan, include the details your family would need to prevent interruptions in the farm's operations for a 2-week to 6-month period. MU Extension has a short-term operating plan template available to print or save online. To find the short-term operating plan materials, go to extension.missouri.edu and search Farm Management Minute.